Theatr Clwyd is the biggest producing theatre in Wales. We have all of the making and craft departments in-house to ensure that we can develop and tell stories on this hill in North East Wales. And we have about 200,000 people come and watch events here, as well as over the last 2 years, 700,000 people across the UK have seen a Theatr Clwyd production. Alongside that, the other big strand of our work is creative engagement work. We have creative facilitators who have expertise in working in theatre, music, visual arts and dance, and their whole aims are to work with communities to help tell their stories, find their voice, develop their creative potential and to make sure their health and well-being is as best as it possibly can be. This is about telling the stories about our communities, with our communities and for our communities.